Hello, today I will talk about the advantage and disadvantage of video conferencing. There are many ways to communicate today, such as emails, phone calls, and video conferencing. Video conferencing is the most popular method because it allows people to see and talk to each other in real time from the internet. It's often used by companies, teacher, and students for online meeting lessons. The advantage of video conferencing that is saves travel, time, and money, supports teamwork, and helps people communicate easily from different places. However, it depends and on a stable internet connection and sometimes face technical problem like poor sound or image quality. In my opinion, video conferencing is very helpful and modern communication tool in daily life.